Hi there, and welcome. My name is Charlene, and I'm a qualified English teacher with a TEFL and TEYL certificate. If you are looking for a friendly, patient, and dedicated teacher, then you are in the right place. I enjoy helping both children and adults improve their English in a calm, supportive, and fun learning environment. In my lessons, I focus on speaking, pronunciation, grammar, reading, and everyday communication skills. My goal is to help you feel confident using English in the real life situations, whether that is at work, school, travel, or daily conversations. I understand that learning a new language can feel challenging, but I will guide you step by step at your own pace. I will always adapt my lessons to suit your level and your personal goals, so every lesson feels useful and easy to follow. I truly enjoy seeing my students grow and become more confident with every lesson. I look forward to meeting you and helping you reach your English goals. See you soon.